this is my channel. Subscribe for more videos. We're learning colours and drawing them. We're colouring in red. We're soon going to be finished. Well, not now, but soon. I don't think you're a baby, or maybe, I don't know. I'm in TV and recording right now. Red is spelled R-E-D. See what else we're going to do? We're going to colour in the between mix. Now we're going to get orange. Your orange pen you have. And then draw a splat. You don't have to draw the same splat as me. You can draw a different splat. If you're drawing, now we're going to colour our splat in. You can pause the video if I'm too fast. Let's see, we're going to colour. Okay, what's your favourite colour? Ooh, okay, that's a nice colour. My favourite colour is pink. Okay, we're finishing orange. We finished! Now we're going to put our orange pencil away once we did this. Orange. Orange is spelled O-R-A-N-C-E. Now we're going to get our yellow pencil. Let's see. There's my yellow pencil. Okay. It's okay if you don't have a yellow pencil. You can miss that bit out. Or you can use a green pencil that is yellowy green. Yellow. Yellow is spelled Y-E-L-L-O-W. We're getting our green pencil now. You can use any green. Can you name an object that is your favourite colour? Oh, okay. Green. We finished with green. Green is spelled G-R-E-E-N. We're getting blue now. Oh, I may have a little scratch, but it's getting better now. Let's see. Ooh, we're gonna write the blue now. Blue is spelled B-L-U-E. Like for elephant. Have you ever seen an elephant? Wow. I seen an elephant when I was little. Now we're doing purple. Okay. Gonna make our purple there. Oh, we can see my squat again. Let's see. We're soon gonna write purple, are we? Oh, maybe I'm licking it. So it's purple. Purple is spelled Purple. Purple is spelled P-U-R-P-L-E. Pink, my favorite color. This is the final color we're gonna do. What's your favorite color of all these? Wow, that's a nice color. My favorite color is pink. That we're doing right now. Let's wait a little bit until we finish. We're writing it now. Pink. Pink is spelled P-I-N-K. Ooh, what are we gonna do now? Let's see. What was that? Orange. Oh, I'm showing all the pencils. Green. Blue. Purple. Pink. Now we put all our pencils back. This is the end of my video. Bye bye. Make sure to subscribe. What's your favorite color? Be good for mommy and daddy.